Hello, welcome to Linux Help tutorial. In this segment, we can see how to install KDE Plasma Desktop in Ubuntu systems. So KDE Plasma is a well-known desktop environment for Unix-like systems, specially designed for the users that have a nice desktop environment. So we can see how to install in Ubuntu machine, and this KDE Plasma 5 version can be downloaded directly from the neon.iso image, and it can be booted into the USB device or CD, and you can install through it, or else you can install directly through the software center or through the terminal using apt-get install. So at first we need to enable the PPA repository. So for that the command is sudo add apt repository, and the repository name is PPA, and colon, and we have to mention the name is kubuntu -ppa slash backports. So now just hit enter, and it will ask for the password, and once the password is given, it start adding the repository, and it will ask for the confirmation, and once the enter is given, the new data will be created and it will display the OK message. So once a repository or a new package is installed in Ubuntu, it's a good practice to be followed to run update. So at first I'm running update sudo apt-get update. So it started updating. So now you can see apt-get update is completed. While running update alone may neglect some dependencies to update. So to overcome the fact, we can use dist upgrade command. It may take some more time than only running update. So the command is sudo apt-get dist upgrade. So it will ask for the confirmation, and once the confirmation is enabled, it will start upgrading each and every packages with their dependencies too. So once the disk upgrade is done, it's time for the Kubuntu installation. That means KDE Plasma installation. So the command is sudo apt-get install Kubuntu desktop. So once the permission is given, it will start downloading and installing the Kubuntu desktop. So while installing, it will ask for the display manager. So we can select just like DM itself. So here you can see the package is installed successfully. So once the package is installed, you need to restart the system. Sudo reboot. After restart, once the login screen appears, you just click this icon, and there you need to select Plasma, and then now you just give password and login. So now you can see KDE Plasma desktop is loading. So you can see the KDE Plasma is again loading with the first home page. And this is the home page of KDE Plasma desktop, and this is the settings. So in this desktop, you can add panel or add widgets by clicking desktop and just click add panel. It will ask for the default panel or empty panel. So I am just giving empty panel. It will ask for the settings. So to open a terminal, just right click and run command. So there I am typing terminal and just hit enter. Now the terminal is open. So if you want to revert back to the original desktop of Ubuntu, just go to settings leave and logout session. It will ask for a logout session confirmation, and just click logout. And in this page, just revert back to the original icon, that is Ubuntu default. And now just give the password. And now it's logged back to the original Ubuntu desktop. Hope this video will be very useful in installing KDE desktop in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.